Hey everyone, let me introduce you to an absolutely fun project. This one is the Martelli Medium Puff Pouch. This is the medium size. We have it in 5 different sizes and I can't wait to show them all to you. It is absolutely fun, quick project, and it's a great gift or just to keep for yourself. What you get is you're going to get the template on here. Full written instructions are on here. We even have videos out there. But this is a great project. It goes together quickly. You actually put this on the fold. You cut these out, put them together, and you've got a really great project. And again, we have it in 5 sizes. I'm going to show you this size. This is this one is the one we made with that size template. This is the medium. Very big and roomy. It's called the Puff Pouch because we got these cute little pleats in here that kind of puffs it out a little bit. It is so cute. It is so adorable. This has probably been one of the biggest things that Martelli has done for a while, and I just absolutely love it. You could add a little hanger on here. You can add a little, a little strap on here. Absolutely fun. You can do it in so many fun colors. You can put pockets in it. But this one here, again, is the medium. Let me tell you, again, I didn't talk about why the templates are so great. They've got the browning fabric on here so that when you set this down on your material, it's going to keep it from slipping and sliding so that you'll be able to cut, have a whole bunch of fabric stacked underneath here and be able to cut out a whole bunch at one time. It's just great. Has the cut lines in here so you can use your rotary cutter for every bit of it when you are making the puff pouch. Again, this one is the medium, so let's go through some of the other sizes that we have. Here is our small. This one right here, you got the template, and this is the small one. I'm using a little bit of fleece in these. You can use foam in these to give them a little bit of that dimension, but look at the difference. This is the medium, this is the small. I'm going to go to the large before I show you the mini set, but this one is our large, and here is the size of the large one. I actually put some straps on this one. Very simple. I'm going to puff it out a little bit. Hold on a second. Get it puffed out. This one, I got foam in this one. Have some pockets on the inside. Added a couple little handles on here, just some webbing, and this is the large. So again, this is the large, this is the medium. One more big one. This one is our extra large. I got 2 zippers on this one. Puff it back out. Look how that dimension just makes it look so much fun. You could really pack a lot of stuff into this bag. And here is the extra large puff pouch, the template that goes with that one. Absolutely fun. Again, you can really have fun with the colors on this one. And now the mini. The mini's done a little bit different. Instead of it where you put the template on the fold, we made this one so that you could cut out the whole thing without having to put the fabric on the fold. So this is the mini. And it is absolutely adorable. Look how cute these are. I think I got these done in Christmas fabrics. I think we had this in one of our Christmas projects. But just a perfect little coin purse or to put your chapstick in, whatever you can, hang this on your bag. It's absolutely fun. Again, they make great gifts. I think I'm using fleece in these. And I think I got foam in this one, so whatever you want to use to give it some body, super easy. Again, the full written instructions walks you through the whole process of putting these amazing bags together. So if you love the Martelli Puff Pouch, be sure to pick yours up today.